Giver, the Giver, the Giver. The movie that they take off mainstream right now that is called The Giver, that is talking about the medication that everybody is taking daily. You think that what the government is doing right now, we would rebel? We can't rebel because we're on the drug. The deodorant that has aluminum in it and the toothpaste with the fluoride that was discovered in the First World War One that to make atomic bomb. Yo, people. I'm telling you, your life cannot start changing. Even dreaming, any you stop use the aluminum deodorant and the fluoride toothpaste. No toothpaste me not trust on the market. Me use either charcoal or baking soda, non-aluminum, right? So listen to me now. Your children, start finding your woman, your children them go start think like brilliant minds. You go get P. Einstein and Jimmy Neutron. Yo, see it here man, we have it. Mineralize your body while using your deodorant. This is a crystal block. Big up on yourself. Yeah man, for more inspiration like this, check out my new book on Amazon. Earth, book one, and also locally here in Jamaica. Yeah man, stay tuned. Close line, who can wear it best? You will be getting a prize, a herbal package prize. Hold that.